Exercise 9.2. First question. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. Solution. Here, first term, that is a is equal to 1. Common difference, d is equal to 2. Difference of two odd integers. And nth term, an is equal to 2001. Implies an is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2001. Implies 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to 2001. Implies, this one you can shift to that side, n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 2000. Implies n minus 1 is equal to 2000 divided by 2 is equal to 1000. Implies n is equal to 1001. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. This implies S of 1001 is equal to 1001 divided by 2 into 1 plus 2001 is equal to 1001 into 2002 divided by 2 is equal to 1001 into 1001. Try to find the product. Yes, what is the product? 10 lakh 2001. Second question. Find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000, which are multiples of 5. Solution. Let first number is 105, which is divisible by 5, and also between 100 and 1000. 110, 115, dash dash dash, 995 be the given AP. Here A is equal to 105, D is equal to 110 minus 105 is equal to 5, and last term, that is An is equal to 995. Therefore, An is equal to 995 implies A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 995 implies what is A 105 plus n minus 1 into D is 5 is equal to 995. This implies n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995 minus 105, that is 890, implies n minus 1 is equal to 890 divided by 5. 178 implies n is equal to 179. Therefore, S 179 is equal to 179 divided by 2 into 105, that is A, plus L 995 is equal to 179 divided by 2 into 1100 is equal to 179 into 550. Try to find the product. Yes, what is the product? 98,450. Third question. In an AP, the first term is 2 and the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Show that 20th term is minus 112. Solution. Let D be the common difference of an AP. Then S5, that is sum of first 5 terms, is equal to 1/4 of sum of next 5 terms, that is A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Implies S5 is equal to 1/4 of, this sum is nothing but as a S10 minus S5, sum of first terms, first 10 terms, from that 5 terms you can remove. Implies 4S5 is equal to S10 minus S5, implies 5S5 is equal to S10. Implies 5 into 5 by 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2A, plus 5 minus 1 into D is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d implies s 25 divided by 2 into 4 plus 4d is equal to 10 divided by 2 into 4 plus 9d. Yes, we can cancel. This implies 20 plus 20d is equal to, by cross multiplication, 8 plus 18d implies 20d minus 18d is equal to 8 minus 20. This implies 2d is equal to minus 12 implies d is equal to minus 6. Therefore, A20 is equal to A, that is 2 plus 20 minus 1 into D, that is minus 6, is equal to 2 plus 19 into minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 114 is equal to minus 112. Question number 5. In an AP, if pth term is 1 by q and qth term is 1 by p, prove that the sum of first pq terms is 1 by 2 into pq plus 1, comma, p is not equal to q. Solution. According to the problem, a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by q, say number 1, and a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by p, say number 2. 2 minus 1 implies a minus a will get cancels. So then you will get q minus 1 minus, in bracket, p minus 1 into, we can take d common, is equal to 1 by p minus 1 by q, implies q minus 1 minus p plus 1 into d is equal to q minus p divided by pq after taking LCM. Implies d is equal to q minus p divided by pq into this q minus p, we can bring to denominator, implies D is equal to 1 by PQ. Substituting D is equal to 1 by PQ in 1, we get A plus P minus 1 into 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. Implies PQ is the LCM. A PQ plus P minus 1 is equal to 1 by Q. So Q and Q we can cancel. Implies APQ plus P minus 1 is equal to P. P and P will get cancelled. Implies A is equal to 1 by PQ. Therefore, sum of first PQ terms, that is SPQ, is equal to PQ divided by 2 into 2A, that is 2 into 1 by PQ, that is 2 by PQ, plus PQ minus 1 into D. D value is 1 by PQ is equal to PQ divided by 2 into bracket. PQ is the LCM. 2 plus PQ minus 1 divided by PQ. PQ and PQ we can cancel, is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket. PQ 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Question number 7. Find the sum to n terms of the AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. Solution. Kth term, that is AK, is equal to 5k plus 1. A1, that is first term, is equal to 5 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 6, is nothing but as a and A2 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, that is A2 minus A1, is equal to 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Therefore, sum of n terms of an AP, that is Sn, is equal to n by 2 into 2A, that is 2 into 6, plus n minus 1 into D, that is 5, is equal to n by 2 into bracket 12 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to n by 2 into bracket 5n plus 7. Eighth question. If the sum of n terms of an EP is Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants, find the common difference. Solution. Sum of n terms of an AP, that is Sn, is equal to Pn plus Qn square. S1 is equal to, that is A or A1 first term, sum of first term, is equal to P into 1 plus Q into 1 square is equal to P plus Q. And S2 is equal to A1 plus A2 is equal to P into 2, n is equal to 2, plus Q into 2 square is equal to 2PQ plus 4Q. For this, say number 1. For second, S2, say number 2. 2 minus 1 implies S2 minus S1 is equal to A1 minus A1. Get cancels. You will get A2 is equal to 2P plus 4Q minus P minus Q is equal to 2P minus P, 1P, plus 4Q minus Q plus 3Q. Therefore, common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to P plus 3Q minus P minus Q is equal to P and P will get cancels. D is equal to, will get 2Q. Question number 9. The sums of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of their 18th terms. Solution. Let A1, A2 and D1, D2 be the first term and common difference of two APs respectively. According to the problem, sum of n terms of first AP divided by sum of n terms of second AP is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6 implies n by 2 into bracket 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 divided by n by 2 into 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. This n by 2 and n by 2 will get cancels. Implies 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 divided by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. Say number 1. Eighteenth term of first AP divided by 18th term of second AP is equal to A1 plus 17D1 divided by A2 plus 17D2. Say number 2. Substituting n is equal to 35 in 1, we get 2a1 plus 34d1 divided by 2a2 plus 34d2 is equal to 5 into 35 plus 4 divided by 9 into 35 plus 6 is equal to 35 into 5, 175 plus 4 divided by 315 plus 6 implies A1 plus 17D1 divided by E2 plus 17 D2 is equal to 179 divided by 321. Say number 3. From 2 and 3 18th term of first AP divided by 18th term of second AP is equal to 179 divided by 321. Therefore, required ratio is equal to 179 is to 321.